Embattled Royal AM president and prominent businesswoman John Mamkhize has gone on the offensive against the Premier Soccer League (PSL), exposing her club's player salaries in a bold bid to refute allegations of financial mismanagement and justify her fight to keep the club in South Africa's top flight. Mamkhize has filed an urgent application in the Johannesburg High Court seeking to overturn the PSL's decision to expel the Royal AM from the DStv Premiership. The PSL claims the club repeatedly failed to honor its fixtures, an accusation Mamkhize attributes to what she calls a deliberate and illegitimate suspension of the monthly 2.3 million league grant. Despite the PSL withholding funds and South African Revenue Services attaching the club over a staggering 200 million rand tax debt, Mamkhize insists the team's financial engine kept running. To demonstrate Royal AM's financial viability, Mamkhize submitted a detailed dossier of player salary payments made on February 14, all marked with the reference salary. According to these records, veteran defender Thabo Mataba tops the club's wage list, taking home a monthly salary of 121,000 rand. Midfielder Kabelo Mahlasela follows closely behind with a net income of 93,500 rand, while Shadrack Gobedi earns 80,000 rand. Other top earners include Jabulani Ngobeni, 68,000 rand, winger Ketuktula Ndlovu, 59,900 rand, Levi Mashiane, 55,000 rand, and Sanchabek Lisejo Manganyi, 50,000 rand. Salaries for several key players, including striker Matabeng Serra, 48,000 rand and 400, and goalkeeper Mondli Mpoto, 47,852 rand, further highlight what Mamkhize argues is a club still financially sound despite external pressures. Notably, the salary breakdown reveals stark contrast within the squad. While top players earn six-figure sums, several squad members are paid significantly less. The lowest earner, a player listed as Mnguni S, received just 2,000 rand. Others in the lower bracket include goalkeeper Apile Ngobese, 7,916 rand, defenders Pelele Majola, 9,500 rand, and midfielders Xolani Phewa and Philani Khumalo, each receiving 16,000 rand. These figures, Mamkhize argues, serve as a hard evidence that Royal AM was financially active and committed to its obligations even while under the shadow of SARS intervention and without league funding. Mamkhize attributes the club's operation instability to appointment of Jaco Venter as SARS-appointed curator. She claims his involvement disrupted the club's day-to-day operations and compounded existing challenges. Yet she remains adamant that the club was still fully capable of fielding a team and fulfilling its obligations. Mamkhize has urged the court to expedite the hearing, requesting the matter to be addressed by May 20, just before the close of the current PSL season. With Royal AM's future hanging in the balance, the court's decision could mark a pivotal moment in South African football. As the drama unfolds, Mamkhize's defiant moves to disclose player earnings cast a spotlight not only on the financial politics of the PSL, but also on the broader tension between club owners and the league's governing structures. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.